Scratch has some really sophisticated tools for moving things around, but if all you want to do is get from point A to point B, here's a simple technique that doesn't involve any typing and where you don't have to mess around with XY coordinates. To get started, just drag your character across the screen to the starting point you want to use. If you take a close look at these blue motion blocks as you're moving your character around the screen, you'll see that every time you let go of your mouse, the number in these little white boxes updates itself to match your current XY coordinates. Now just drag out one of these go-to blocks that already has your numbers attached to it and attach it to a green flag. Now, every time you start your program, see that wherever your sprite is, it'll always pop right back to that start location you saved. Okay, we've saved our point A. Now we need to tell our sprite to glide across the screen to point B. Before you do anything else, hit the stop button. Your XY coordinates won't update while your program is running. Now drag your sprite to a new location on the screen and add a glide to block. Click the green flag and you'll see your characters gliding beautifully across the screen. If you want, you can continue to drag your sprite around and add more glide blocks to continue your sprite's journey. If you change the number of seconds right here, you can make your character move slower or faster.
I feel the liftoff. The clock has started. Roger.